How to use the concatenate function in Excel. There are two methods of doing it. If you are using Excel 2013 or 2016, there is only concatenate function. If you are using Excel 2019 or Office 365, you will have both concatenate and concat function. Let me show you how this works. I have created an Excel sample template for this tutorial. The columns are employees' profiles and the row are their personal information. For the first example, let us start with concatenate function. In short, concatenate joins text strings into one text string. Let's concatenate the full name of the marketing manager for company ABC. Select on the cell C13 and type in the equal sign, concatenate, open parentheses. Select cell B7 and type in the comma and select cell C7 and hit the return key. You will have the full name of Violet Quinn. Simple, right? However, the full name is joined together. Let us space the first and last name. Select C3 and double-click and type in the open and close quotation marks right after B7 comma and add another comma. Hit the return key. There you go, we have Violet space Quinn. Let us work on a case example. You are now tasked to find the full name, department, position, and salary for Sylvie. Select on the cell C13 and type in the equal sign, concatenate, open parentheses. Select cell B8 and type in comma, open and close quotation marks and comma. Next, highlight comma, open and close quotation marks, and the comma string and right-click. Click on copy. Lastly, we will select the remainder cells from cell C8 and pasting the previous string to F8. Hit the return key. You will get Sylvie Paris Human Resource Senior Officer 5000. For the second example, we will be using the concat function. Concat, on the other hand, concatenates a list or range of text strings. Let's concat the country code and contact number for Furukawa. Select on the cell C13 and type in the equal sign, concat, open parentheses. Select cell G9 and drag your cursor to H9. Release your cursor and then hit the return key. You will get 81,713 to 88,616, which is Furukawa's contact number with country code. Okay. Let's imagine your boss wants you to find out the contact detail and address for Park Young. Select on the cell C13 and type in the equal sign, concat, open parentheses. Select cell G10 and drag your cursor to H10 and type in comma, open and close quotation marks, and the comma sign and select cell I10. Hit the return key. You will get 82,709,6392,7292 Dictum Avenue, San Antonio MI 47096. There you have it, the concat function for Excel. If you have any Excel formula you want us to teach, let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification to have more free Excel function tutorial. But, before you go, we have a bonus clip for you. I will be turning this Excel spreadsheet into an API. Stay tuned to see how the magic works. I will be using AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in to turn this concatenate function Excel into an API in the sample template. To do this, I will need AlchemyJ Excel installed and with a preset of rules. Next, I will select the AlchemyJ ribbon, select Generate API, and click on Generate API. The file is now converting. Okay, your API is ready. I will now launch this open API which AlchemyJ generates and try using the concatenate function on it. I will expand this tab, select Try it out. I will join the strings and integers. Let me input Sun King profile in it. So, will I get Sun King concatenate information? Yes, we got it. AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in turns your Excel business model into API. This way, you can integrate your Excel model into other applications. You can download AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in for free at alchemyj.io. And once again, thank you for watching. So which Excel function you wish to be converted into an API? Let us know in the comments section below. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification. See you soon.